Look at this timing gear. Before it broke, it worked fine. But in Pakistan, even this wreck can be restored. The mechanic plans to machine a brand new timing gear using this old steel block. To be fair, if he can make it. With this simple lathe, and it actually works. That would be incredible. This part needs extremely high precision. A tiny error changes the timing, and the engine may not start. But this veteran mechanic loves tough challenges. The harder the job, the more confident he gets. Now comes the craziest part. To copy the teeth exactly, he welds the original timing pulley onto the steel block. No marking lines, no measurements, no fancy tools, just the original part. That trick alone maxes out the accuracy. He doesn't bother with drawings or gear cutters. Using only a drill press, he drills each slot. One hole at a time. Most teeth are easy, but the welded area is the hardest part. That's where mistakes happen. Most mechanics would quit. But not this old master. He cleans the weld first, then taps and aligns it. No measuring tools at all. Just years of experience. Almost every hole is perfect. Virtually zero error, if this guy lived. In ancient times, he'd be an emperor. With the teeth positioned, it's time for the inner shape. He places the old gear on the steel blank and sprays some paint. A perfect outline appears instantly. Simple and accurate. That's experience at work. But hollowing out the center is another tough challenge. Others might give up, but he has a solution. He turns the lathe into a giant drill, following each mark. He drills hole by hole. After all holes are done, the piece goes back onto the lathe for cutting. Bit by bit, the extra metal comes off. As chips fly, the gear takes shape. The rough form is clear now. Next comes the center. This step is critical. Before cutting it out, he uses a drill press to make a locating hole. This hole isn't just for show. It becomes the keyway that locks the gear. Into position. Once the hole is ready, the part goes back onto the lathe. He carefully machines the outer edge. until the hole is fully exposed. At this point, the gear teeth are finally complete. Only the center bore is left to finish. It's a simpler step, but he still takes it seriously. First, a precise pilot hole. Then he switches to the correct drill bit. The matching center bore is drilled in one go. Finally, 2 mounting holes are drilled and finished. After all that, an ordinary steel block has been transformed by pure craftsmanship into a brand new timing gear, ready to go straight on the engine.